You're doing much better.
Is Boo Boo eating with the spoon?
Who likes her chicken noodle soup? Alright, Daddy's turn. Open up. Yay.
Boo Boo, what are you eating? What is that? Is it soup?
Say, Bobby, make me some homemade chicken noodle soup when I come to visit.
You love your soup?
Say, I love soup. Soup. Yummy. Who's making a mess? Who wants a noodle in their mouth? I don't have to do any work.
Mm-hmm. Is that yummy, Boo Boo? You love it? You love it so much that you won't even talk, huh?
Let Daddy into the bowl.
That is delicious, isn't it?
She's two-fisted Boo Boo. Say, I love soup. Let's lick the table now. No, we can't pick up celery like that. We have to eat from the spoon. Well, sometimes we can pick up celery like that. Say bye-bye. Say I need to go back to finishing my soup.
Boo Boo, can you say bye-bye? Can you say
Spill on Daddy's pants?
bye-bye? Bye-bye.